morning. After a nice breakfast with eggs, I made a plan to do a hop on hop off bus today because I just want to see as much as possible. And if I do just a hike today, then it's just a hike and you can't really see anything more. So today is going to be a big day with going on and off and on and on and on and off bus and see all the waterfalls and the lookouts. So yeah, first up is the supermarket because I don't have any lunch for today. It's not really a good idea. So supermarket, then I'm going to the bus. So I put an alarm on my phone so that I'm in time for when the bus comes back. And I have around 50 minutes left, and there's a little walk over here. I don't know, 50 minutes left, why not? And it is pretty beautiful over here. I love the green color of all the, how do you call them? Ferns? No, and they have this little stream over here. I think you call those ferns, right? Look at that beautiful green color. And then over there you got the Blue Mountains. Wow. Oh, those birds! Whoa! It was actually kind of scary. It's like doing a fight or something. Wow, what a loud noise do they make. So those are cockatoos. And I saw them the other day during my walk as well. Yesterday. No, the day before yesterday. And they're awesome, but they're so loud. Wow. Let's go back and take the bus again. It's getting warmer because the sun's now here. So I took off my jumper. And there's big bugs here. We're already at the next stop. This stop is called Katoomba Falls. Here. And they say that if you go down here, then you have to walk 5 minutes, and then there is a lookout point. There is also walking trails over here, but I don't know, like I don't really feel like walking for hours today because I just want to see a lot today. And I thought 1.2. Alright, I decided to make a plan. So I'm good at making plans. And I took the map, and now I know where I'm gonna go, what times I'm gonna go on the bus and off the bus. Then I'm going to go to Wentworth Falls, and then I'm gonna do the walk, and then I'm gonna go back with a normal bus. That's the plan. Let's see if it works out. We'll always get home. We just stopped for 5 minutes at a really beautiful view, so that was cool. So then that makes sense, because then because I stopped there for 5 minutes, I can do everything else I want to do. And now we're at Echo Point where you can see the Three Sisters, and here I want to do a walk, a 30-minute walk, return walk, which starts over there, but I'm first gonna have a look at the view, of course. And you probably can see it a little bit behind me, but look at this. So, I'm doing the walk now, 20 to 30 minutes, all the way there and back. Alright, next up, Kaya Lookout. I'm just gonna go to the lookout here, I think, which is a 5-minute walk or so. Just enjoy the view, and then go back to the bus stop in about 20 minutes and go to the next one, which is Laura Cascades. Don't ask me what it is because I don't really know. I just looked it up, and when it was nice I just decided that I wanted to go there. By the way, I decided I could get a treat today because I have eaten like the same breakfast all week, and I've been really cheap this week, so I bought myself $1.50 digestive cookies. Oh my god, yummy! These cookies, yum. Enjoying it. Nom, 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 nom. I mean, a digestive cookie and this view. Can life be any better? It's just like I'm showing you videos of really nice views, but I think it's so different if you're actually here and you see all the the depths that you have and all the different layers. So you have like these trees, then you have another layer over there, then another layer over there, and 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 there. And then you have like the mountains over there, and then you have more layers and the mountains over there, and then behind that you have even more mountains, like the blue line behind that. And that's what makes it so beautiful. It's so incredibly big that I don't know if you really can see that on the videos. But yeah, it's really awesome, and it's so not busy that you can enjoy the rest and the silence and the bird sounds and the sounds of the waterfalls. How amazing this is. There is no one here. No one. best one. Definitely. It's definitely the best moment for me from the Blue Mountains because it's such a great view and there's no one here. I'm all by myself. Birds in the background.